Engraving techniques for DIY enthusiasts, tips and tricks for stunning results. Are you ready to transform your DIY projects with the captivating art of engraving? Whether you're a seasoned jewelry maker or a passionate metalworker, mastering engraving techniques can elevate your creations to stunning new heights. In this video, we'll explore the secrets behind achieving intricate designs that truly stand out using the best practices in engraving. Discover the essential metalworking tools that can unlock your potential and bring your artistic visions to life. Join us as we delve into the precision and artistry required in jewelry making and beyond. Prepare to be inspired and equipped with the skills to create unique pieces that will leave a lasting impression. Engraving is an age-old craft that has captivated artisans for centuries, offering a unique blend of precision, creativity, and craftsmanship. For DIY enthusiasts, engraving opens up a world of possibilities, from personalized gifts to intricate designs on everyday objects. This art form involves etching designs onto surfaces, where precision is paramount. The techniques vary widely, from simple hand engraving to sophisticated laser applications, each offering distinct possibilities. Understanding these methods allows DIY enthusiasts to tailor their approach to specific projects, whether it's adding a personal touch to a piece of jewelry or engraving a custom design onto a metal artifact. Engraving not only enhances the aesthetic appeal of creations, but also imbues them with a distinct personal touch. In the world of jewelry making and metalworking, precision is not just a skill, it's a necessity. The sheer intricacy of engraving demands an unwavering attention to detail and a steady hand. Precision ensures that each cut and etch complements the piece's overall design, transforming simple metals into captivating works of art. For artisans, precision is achieved through understanding the relationship between tool and medium, recognizing how pressure and angle affect the outcome. This meticulous attention to detail also plays a crucial role in durability, ensuring that the final piece can withstand the test of time. Mastering precision in engraving is a journey that enhances both the process and the final product, yielding pieces that resonate with both beauty and craftsmanship. Mastering the art of engraving holds numerous benefits for those seeking to create unique and intricate designs. First and foremost, it allows artisans to personalize their work, infusing each piece with individuality and meaning. Engraving adds depth and character to creations, allowing for complex designs that stand out. As skills develop, so too does the ability to experiment with different materials and techniques, opening the door to innovative creation. Moreover, proficiency in engraving can lead to professional opportunities, from custom commissions to collaborative projects. The ability to create stunning one-of-a-kind designs not only enhances one's portfolio, but also establishes a reputation for quality and creativity in the art of jewelry making and metalworking. For those just beginning their journey into engraving, assembling the right toolkit is crucial. At the foundation, you'll need a quality engraving pen or baren, essential for hand engraving small details. A reliable set of metalworking files will help in smoothing and shaping edges. A magnifying glass or headset can aid in maintaining precision by providing a detailed view of your work. Additionally, a sturdy workbench with a vise will keep your pieces steady, allowing for more controlled movements. Beginners should also invest in safety equipment, such as goggles and gloves, to protect against metal shavings and sharp edges. These tools form the backbone of any engraving project, allowing for exploration of intricate designs with confidence and control. As your engraving skills develop, the need for more specialized tools becomes apparent. For advanced projects, tools like pneumatic engraving systems offer increased control and speed, ideal for larger or more complex designs. Engraving machines, such as rotary or impact engravers, can produce varied textures and depths not achievable by hand alone. Laser engravers, though more costly, provide precision for incredibly intricate patterns and are perfect for high-volume work. Advanced artisans might also explore specialized barons for different effects and polishing tools to refine their creations. Mastering these tools opens up a realm of possibilities in jewelry making and metalworking, allowing for the creation of truly unique and sophisticated pieces with professional-grade outcomes. Proper maintenance of engraving tools is essential to their longevity and performance. Regular cleaning is crucial. After each use, ensure that tools are free of metal particles and debris. Lubricate moving parts, especially in pneumatic and rotary tools, to prevent rust and ensure smooth operation. Store tools in a dry, organized space to avoid corrosion and damage. Sharpening blades and points regularly is also necessary to maintain their effectiveness and precision in cutting. For more advanced tools, consult manufacturer guidelines to perform routine checks and maintain warranties. By committing to routine maintenance, artisans can extend the life of their tools, ensuring consistent performance and avoiding the cost of frequent replacements. Hand engraving and machine engraving each offer unique advantages and challenges. Hand engraving is a traditional method that gives artisans the freedom to create intricate designs with a personal touch. It requires skill and patience but allows for complete creative control. Conversely, machine engraving, using devices like rotary or laser engravers, offers speed and precision, making it suitable for complex and repetitive patterns. Machines can achieve consistent results rapidly, but may lack the unique character that handwork provides. Choosing between these techniques depends on the project's requirements, available resources, and desired outcomes in terms of detail and personal expression. Both methods have their place in the toolkit of a versatile engraver. Laser engraving has revolutionized the way artisans approach intricate designs, providing unparalleled precision and versatility. This technology uses a focused beam of light to etch designs onto various materials, allowing for intricate patterns that are difficult to achieve with traditional methods. Laser engravers are incredibly efficient, capable of handling detailed work at high speeds, making them ideal for large-scale production. This technique also opens up possibilities for working with a wider range of materials, including metals, wood, plastic, and glass. For DIY enthusiasts and professional artisans alike, laser engraving offers a powerful tool for executing sophisticated designs with remarkable accuracy and repeatability, expanding the horizons of what's possible in jewelry making and beyond. Traditional and modern engraving techniques each have their own merits and appeal. Traditional methods, like hand engraving, offer a tactile connection to the craft, where artisans impart their skills directly onto the medium. This approach is steeped in history and requires significant practice to master. Modern techniques, such as laser and CNC engraving, leverage technology to achieve precision and efficiency, ideal for intricate designs and mass production. While traditional methods may take longer and involve more manual labor, they offer a personal touch that machines cannot replicate. Conversely, modern techniques provide consistency and speed. Ultimately, the choice between these approaches depends on the project's needs and the artisan's personal style and expertise. Choosing the right materials is crucial to the success of any engraving project, particularly in jewelry making. Metals like gold, silver, and copper are popular choices due to their malleability and ability to hold fine details. Stainless steel and titanium are also used, offering durability and a modern aesthetic. For non-metallic options, wood provides a warm, organic feel and can be used for larger decorative pieces. Glass offers a sleek, elegant appearance, ideal for more delicate designs. Each material requires specific tools and techniques, highlighting the importance of understanding the properties and limitations of your chosen medium. Selecting the right material is the first step towards creating a stunning, engraved masterpiece. Engraving on metals, wood, and glass each presents unique challenges and requires specific techniques. Metals like silver and gold are soft, allowing for intricate designs but requiring care to avoid scratches. Always use sharp tools and apply gentle pressure. Wood's grain can affect engraving, so choose a fine-grained variety for better detail. Use a steady hand to follow the grain and prevent splintering. Glass engraving demands precision and patience due to its brittle nature. Use diamond-tip tools, work slowly, and keep the surface clean to avoid cracks. Understanding these nuances will help artisans create elegant and durable designs across different materials, enhancing the quality and appeal of their engraved pieces. The choice of material significantly influences both the design and the engraving technique. Different materials have distinct properties, hardness, texture, and flexibility, which dictate the tools and methods used. Metals like gold and silver allow for fine details, but require careful handling to avoid damage. Harder materials like stainless steel need tougher tools and more forceful techniques. Wood's grain affects the direction and flow of designs, while glass requires meticulous precision to prevent cracking. The material also impacts the final aesthetic, with metallic finishes offering a polished look and wooden pieces providing warmth and texture. Understanding these dynamics is essential for executing designs that are both beautiful and technically sound. A well-prepared workspace is essential for successful engraving projects. Start by securing a stable, well-lit workbench to ensure precision and safety. Organize your tools within easy reach to maintain workflow efficiency. Use a bench vise to hold your workpiece steadily in place, minimizing movement and mistakes. Ensure proper ventilation to manage dust and fumes, particularly when working with metals or using laser engravers. Safety should be a priority. Wear protective gear such as safety glasses and gloves to protect against debris and sharp edges. A clean, organized, and equipped workspace not only enhances focus and accuracy, but also contributes to a safer and more enjoyable engraving experience. Embarking on your first engraving project begins with mastering a simple technique. Start by choosing a soft metal, like copper, for easy handling. Secure your piece in a bench vise to prevent movement. Using a sharp-pointed baren, lightly sketch your design on the surface. Hold the tool at a consistent angle, applying steady pressure as you follow your pattern. It's crucial to maintain even strokes to achieve uniform depth and clarity. Continuously check your progress, adjusting your technique as necessary. This practice builds foundational skills, emphasizing the importance of control and precision. Over time, this simple engraving technique will evolve, allowing for more complex and detailed designs. Avoiding common mistakes is key to achieving the best results in engraving. One frequent error is applying too much pressure, which can damage the material and tools. Instead, maintain a gentle, consistent touch. Another mistake is neglecting to secure the workpiece, leading to slips and uneven lines. Always use a vise or clamp for stability. Inadequate tool maintenance, such as using dull blades, results in poor quality cuts and can damage the surface. Regularly sharpen and clean your tools. Additionally, rushing the process can lead to careless errors. Take your time to ensure precision and quality. Steering clear of these pitfalls enhances the craftsmanship and outcome of your engraving projects. Layering engravings is an advanced technique that adds depth and complexity to your designs, transforming simple patterns into multidimensional artworks. Start by planning your design, considering how different layers will interact and enhance the final piece. Use varied depths and line thicknesses to create contrast and visual interest. Begin with the deepest cuts to establish the primary structure, then add shallower layers for detail and texture. This technique requires meticulous planning and control, but rewards with a rich, intricate result. Layering is particularly effective in jewelry making, where it can bring depth and character, highlighting the skill and creativity of the engraver. Incorporating color into engraved designs adds a vibrant dimension and enhances visual appeal. This can be achieved through several methods, such as inlaying colored materials like enamel or resin into engraved sections. Paints or pigments can also be applied, with careful attention to precision to avoid overfilling. For metal pieces, anodizing can introduce dynamic hues. When working with glass, colored foils or stained finishes provide striking effects. The choice of color should complement the design and material, enhancing rather than overpowering the natural beauty of the engraving. This creative touch not only elevates the aesthetic, but also personalizes the piece, making it truly unique. To achieve professional-grade outcomes in engraving, adhere to best practices that ensure precision and quality. Always choose the right tool for the material and design complexity, maintaining tools in optimal condition for sharpness and reliability. Prioritize planning. Sketch designs and plan engravings thoroughly before starting, avoiding unnecessary mistakes. Practice consistently to refine your technique and build confidence. Additionally, focusing on ergonomics and workspace organization can prevent fatigue and enhance precision. Continuous learning and experimentation with new tools and techniques will also improve craftsmanship. These practices culminate in engravings that reflect meticulous attention to detail and a high standard of artistry.